Hey, Michael Church, Crawl Space Ninja, and today we're going to show how to maintenance the Fresh Air Cube by Vollara. Stay tuned. Okay, so a little while back I did a video about this little product. It's great for air purification and ionization and things like that. Also good for odors if you have pets in the house. But one of the things that happens, this is actually my personal air purifier, and I noticed it was really dirty. So I thought it'd be a good opportunity. I don't know if you can see how dirty it is on the inside there and on the back. We're gonna go through this a little bit and kind of show some ways to maintenance this product. So the first thing you want to do is you've got this little guy here, and it'll actually just flip up and pull out, and then you can vacuum this, all right? And then this doesn't come off, you got to unscrew it. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. So once you got the screw out, this will just come off. And this exposes the inside of the machine. You've got what's called an RCI cell, which is this guy right here. RCI stands for Radiant Catalytic Ionization, which is their patented little deal that they use to purify the air. So you can unplug this if you ever need to change this out. It actually gets changed out about once a year is what they recommend, because it is a UV based product. So it's got these little clips, and of course they're never easy to pull out. So you get that out, and then this guy just slides out. That's what it looks like. And you just put the new one in. Got these little guides that line up, and you plug it back in. But when you got it all out like this, you want to make sure you vacuum all this out. There's another little device here, which is called the ozone plate. So if you live in California, I don't think you can purchase this product because it does have an ozone option, but I believe all the other states are okay. So what happens here is these little clips come out and you pull out this ozone plate. This one gets replaced as needed, but probably about every 2 to 3 years, most likely you'd need to replace this little ozone plate here. The other thing that I want to do is look at the front, because the fan has to be cleaned. So let's go ahead and take the screws out on the front as well. Okay, so as you can see here, it's got the 4 screws. The front comes off. You can see all the dust getting built up inside there. This is not a filter, so it's not really designed to catch dust. It's designed to purify the air. So you'd want a really good heating and air filter in order to capture the particles that are floating. But you just have this little mesh screen on the back that could be easily vacuumed. But what I am going to do is actually remove it. So that way you can wash it as well. And as you can see, it gets really dirty. Okay, so now we got it all vacuumed out. We're going to put it all back together. Now you want to make sure that there's a little lip right here, and you want to make sure that you put it correctly up underneath there and slide the top in first, and then that way you can put the back plate on. And then we just put the pre-filter in. Cleaning it while shooting this video took less than 10 minutes, and I was talking through it. So you could probably do it a lot faster than that. I'm Michael Church with Crawl Space Ninja, and we hope you make it a happy and blessed day, and we'll see you later.